Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check Cash App transaction history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Cash App. Then, in order to check your Cash App transaction history, just tap at that clock icon. I have nothing here, but if you have had any activity, you will see it here, including transfers and rewards for inviting friends. And then you will be able to hit at any transaction to see the details. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Cash App tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.